Good time to all of you. Hope you all are doing fit and fine. I'm also fit and fine. So today I will one advice for you. So that is every morning have two options. One is sleep with your dream or procrastinate with your dream, and second option is woke up and chase your dream or start your work. So it is the best option, wake up and chase your dream. So if you wake up and chase your dream right now, so you will be success very soon, your dream will be success. Or if you procrastinate or sleep without working, you will regret after 5 years what did you do. So now it is the high time for starting your work, for chasing your dream. So let's start your work. So no more today. Thank you for watching. Stay with me and happy learning. See you next video.